In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset DNS in Hostinger. If you need to restore your domain's DNS settings back to the default setup in Hostinger, this process is fairly simple and only takes a moment once you know where to look. Resetting DNS records can be useful if your website, email, or other domain-connected services stopped working after changes were made, or if you simply want to start fresh with the standard Hostinger DNS configuration. To begin, open your Hostinger account and sign in. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct account if you manage more than one domain. This helps avoid making changes to the wrong website or domain by mistake. From the main dashboard, click on Domains. This will take you to the area where all of your registered domains are listed and managed. Find the domain you want to work with and then click Manage next to it. This opens the domain management settings, where you can control things like renewal details, name servers, and DNS records. After that, click on DNS name servers. This section contains the DNS settings for your domain, including the records that tell browsers and services where your website and email should point. If you've edited records in the past, this is where those changes would appear. Once you're on the DNS page, scroll all the way down until you find the option labeled Reset DNS Records. Be sure to read the option carefully before continuing, because resetting DNS records can remove custom entries you may have added previously. If your domain is connected to third-party services, those records may need to be added again later. When you're ready, click Reset DNS Records. This will restore the DNS zone to Hostinger's default values. In many cases, that's exactly what you need if incorrect records were causing issues. Just keep in mind that DNS updates are not always instant. While the reset action itself happens quickly, it can take some time for the updated records to fully propagate across the internet. After the reset, it's a good idea to review your DNS settings to confirm everything looks correct, especially if you plan to reconnect email services, subdomains, or external tools. If something still doesn't work right away, give it a little time and then check again. That's how to reset DNS in Hostinger. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be able to restore your default DNS settings without any trouble.